Primer Set, designed for lip work, for solid fills, and for watercolor techniques. The shade called Body, a peachy pink color with a warm undertone. Nude, a pink shade with a neutral undertone. A universal shade that is suitable for any lit skin. Noir, a dark pink with a cool undertone, used as a decorative shade and for creating a 3D effect. I'm going to show you two fill techniques. Watercolor and solid, which can be applied to all three shades in this set. For the watercolor technique, the speed setting on the machine is 4.0. I hold the machine at 90 degrees. Needle protrusion is approximately 2.5 to 3 millimeters. An important point: when reducing the speed, we do not slow down the hand motion. Thus, all our strokes will be wide in amplitude. This way you can create a loose, beautiful pattern that creates a watercolor effect on the lips. As for the stroke sections, you should overlap each section by 50%, meaning you work a section about 1 centimeter long and step down by 50%. Then fill that section. For solid fill technique, the machine speed will be for 0.5 volts up to 5.0 volts. The stroke section is significantly shorter. Strokes are placed closer together. As soon as we finish one section, we move down, overlapping 70% of the filled area. That means stepping down by 30%. This way, the color builds up very quickly and tightly fills the area. The pressure remains the same. Avoid pressing on the lips under any circumstances. I'll be using these synthetic brushes from Synthetic Creator, specifically numbers 20 and 21, along with a satin concealer and translucent rice powder. Let's start drawing the sketch. I always start with the upper lip, the Cupid's bow, using the brush on its edge. I begin carefully drawing the line, covering all pores and any fine vellus hair present. Moving on to the lower lip, starting from the commissures. Let's begin. First step, fixing the outline. Moving on to the first pass. It is a light, perforating one. A light, sparse stroke. I usually start from the bow. Moving on to the second pass. This one is the densest and final one. Pendulum strokes, placed closely together. So, we are finished. The lips are done in watercolor. The tone that I used was Noir.